What's up, you guys? Been a long time since I last did a video. I think it's been about a month. Um, let's take a look at what happened this week in August 17th through August 21st. Um, the spies are back. The SPY is back to the all-time highs. It's flirting with all-time highs. It broke above it slightly, and pretty much after this it is a blue sky breakout, which means there is no resistance above this area. If it can just keep going until there's a catalyst that turns it around and makes it dump back down. So when you have an ETF or a stock that's breaking new highs, it's a buy. Okay, that is just a general rule. The best investor in the world, Jesse Livermore, said, "Hey, if you see a stock going to all-time highs, it is a buy." So there is a lot of stocks right now that's doing that. Um, let's take a look at the more popular ones. Apple broke above its all-time high here at around 330s, and look what happened. You see, it just keeps going. There was a slight dip here in July, but then after that it just ripped hard. This was after the earnings. They announced that they were going to do a 4-1 split at the end of August, and this thing just kept going. See, this coming week, the split's going to happen at $500 a share. It'll be at $125 a share after the split, and it'll just keep going because more people are just going to get their hands on this. I know I'm invested in Apple long term, so I have the $500 calls for December. So I'm thinking by December, assuming this is $125 a share after the split, this thing could just keep going. I'm thinking this thing will go to 6 or 7. So after the split, it'll probably, I don't know, I can't do math in my head real quick, like $200 a share by December. So it's gonna be very exciting for Apple. The other one is Tesla. They're doing a 5-for-1 split. This thing is just a rocket ship. Again, they broke all-time highs here at about 950, and it held that level for a while before eventually squeezing shorts and riding it all the way up to 1800. I thought 1800 was the top, and I was actually shorting it here. It did squeeze me out, but then it dropped and then just chopped along, and this is a bad sign when it holds a certain level like this $1,400 level. If it's not breaking down here, if it's not breaking down here, and then finally here it didn't break down, then they announced the split. This thing just squeezed everyone who was shorting here. So here we are at 2100. That makes what, Tesla 420 after the split, which is amazing. So we'll be down here, and again, Tesla all-time highs. It's still a buy until there's a catalyst, a for sure catalyst that'll make it drop. What other stocks am I looking at? Zoom, meaning schools are starting to back up again, and Zoom is going to be another household name that everyone's going to be using. So it's consolidated here for a long time between the 250s and the 270s. It's now breaking out. Yeah, I would expect this one to keep going higher. Another one I like is the financials, like PayPal, Visa. See, these guys, they're almost at the all-time highs. This one looks like it's ready for a breakout. Visa especially, long consolidation, nice bull flag pattern here. You can almost say it's an ABC pattern, but it is making higher lows. Yeah, you get their higher lows here. So yeah, this is considered an ABCD pattern. It's breaking out here. All you need is this all-time high of 214 to break, and then you'll see this one go to 220, 230 really quickly. So that's pretty much it for this week. I just want to make this a quick video. But yeah, if you have any questions, shoot me an email or leave a comment. spytrader79@gmail.com. Also, if you want to join the Discord, I'll go ahead and put that into the video description as well. All right, thanks for watching.